Uploading files to the server in ASP.NET Core MVC. Hello guys and welcome to this channel. In the previous video we talked about uploading files to the server using react.js for the front end and ASP.NET Core Web API for the backend. But in this video you are going to learn how to upload files in ASP.NET Core MVC. So using Razor View for the front end and traditional controller for the backend. Probably you know that ASP.NET Core MVC is a full stack project by default. So this is a simple demo of what we are going to build. So here you have an input for choosing files. For example, let us select these two. And you also can preview your files before upload. And when you click on upload, you also get the message file upload is successful. And if you check, suppose this is the location where you want to upload your files. This is the HTML part. It is very simple, very easy. It is not necessary that I type everything again. Here inside the views, you have file upload folder. Inside that folder, you have index.cshtml, and that is this file. And here you have this forum with the controller file upload. So this is the controller for this. And inside this view controller you have this method post files, and that is the action for this forum. So the int type is multi-par form data, the method is post. Here you have a label and you have the input type file with the name files. So this name has to match this parameter. This is also required, which means that we cannot submit this without any file. So please select one or more files. And it is multiple so that you can select multiple files. And here you have on change event with the function preview files. And that is this function so that you can preview the files before uploading. This is the container for the images. Here we create image element. This is how you create URL for the image source from a file. Here we set a basic style for the image with 50%, margin top 10, margin right 10 pixels. And then we append the image element to the container. Very simple. That is the container. Images preview. Now you can pause the video and write the code in your code editor. This is the C# part or the backend. So this is a very simple controller. This is the index for returning this view. This index view from the file upload view folder. And this is the action. This is how you create a proper path for your file. We get the file name from the file, and then we copy the content of the file to the stream, which is a file located on the disk. And then if everything is okay, we send this message file uploaded successfully. But if something goes wrong, we send the message something went wrong, please try again. Now you can pause the video and write the code in your code editor. And about this one, this is view back. This is how you send some static data or messages to the view or to the user interface. And we get and display this message in CSHTML. Here we get the message. Here we say if there is any message, we assign the message to this variable, otherwise an empty string, so that you don't get any error here. So you cannot display here inside this paragraph element something that does not exist or something undefined or something not. So that is what this shorthand ternary operator does. And this is the JavaScript part for previewing the images or the files. Now you can pause the video and write the code in your code editor. Thanks for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, and being around. Have great times.